Hi all, welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. It's going to be a shortish one. Don't think there's going to be a lot going on today. I'm going to have a good look around the outside and hopefully have a look at things that people have questioned. Mainly the tarmacking, which you can see loads has been done. I mean loads of it. So this gives us a good idea now of stuff. Of where the forever stones are going to go. So road that side, tarmac this side. So where all this grey is going to be where the forever stones go. I said it's going to be 6 benches. I don't know that for sure, but if they're going to be Champions League benches, then the 6 Champions League wins, 6 benches. Someone said I'm sure about that. I'm not sure, no. But if they're going to be benches, there's 1, 2 set up there. There's going to be a third one just there. Then we're looking at 4, 5 and 6 in here somewhere maybe. I'm just guessing. I don't know for sure. Right, I had a couple of... After the helicopter yesterday, which I've heard nothing about by the way, so I'm assuming it's good news. And it might have been just precaution that the helicopter was there. But everyone's commented about this helicopter. How good the zoom is on the camera. It surprised me. I can't believe I saw Runcorn Bridge in the distance on it. But also a couple noticed. Well, one person said that I've caught a UFO on camera. Now, it depends how you use the word UFO. Yes, it is a UFO because I can't identify it. So, unidentified flying object doesn't mean it's from space. It's just an unidentified flying object. So I'll put a clip on now. I've paused it, pointed at it with a finger. You make your own mind up what it is. And it's also slowed down, pointed with a finger. So I've done my best to have a good look at it. You decide, but there's a blown up version of it. I'm calling drone on this, okay? But you make your own mind up on it. I'm zoomed in by about ×4, ×5 around that region. I'm gonna have a zoom in on these guys on the roof here. Rope access. Yeah, I'm zoomed in by about ×4, ×5, so it's even harder to see. The only issue I've got with it is it's very close to the helicopter and it's very high up. I was about 90 metres, I'd say, when I took that, 80, 90 metres. And I'm looking, and the camera's looking up, and that looks a lot higher than the 120 ceiling that we have to fly in, so don't know. But zoomed in shot, you can see something branching off it. It looks like drone arms. I can't be too sure, you know, because when you're zoomed in, the quality just goes. So I don't know, is what I'm saying. But it's interesting to find out people's views. I'm calling drone. It's just very black as well for a drone. Drones are normally like a dark grey or a light grey colour, unless it's a different drone by a different colour. I'm just going by Mavericks, that's all. I think Paris and Affies, I think they're black, so it could, you know what, it could be anything. Okay. Lads on the left here. Is it worth going over the pitch? I just don't think there'll be anything going on at all. Yeah, so talking to 2 lads yesterday, and by the way, I've remembered to turn my microphone on this time. But talking to 2 lads who work here yesterday, I'm gutted I didn't get the voices on. But they said that either Buckingham or Liverpool, I've got a drone. I don't know if they hire someone with a drone. It's not me, anyway. They thought it was me. that flies up onto the roofs and stuff, and you know, as I look through the nooks and crannies to see if people are working. So, you know, they're having a slight smoke or whatever, or on the phone. Me, if I zoom into someone, and I'm not doing a lot, I zoom straight back out again. If I zoom into someone and I think they're doing something that they shouldn't, I don't put it on here. I don't want to be responsible for someone getting the sack for, you know, just doing something, you know, that we all do. So yeah, I wouldn't show it. If they're having a slight smoke or anything like that, you know, I won't show it on here. I don't know, it's a sackable offence. Yeah, it's very quiet on site from the outside as well. I can hear something on this side, but I don't know what. Someone's banging something. Brickwork hasn't changed any here, has it? Yeah, it has a little bit. Yeah, it has. Yeah, it has. They're not working much. I'll zoom straight back out. Someone had a slight gripe that I didn't spend much time looking at the cladding around this side. But as you see, it hasn't moved on that much anyway. I've come back around this way because I want to go over there. The Kenny stand to have a good look. You know what, I don't need to go right over, do I? We can see on the pitch, not a lot's gone on. Someone said about seats being removed in the cop. I don't think I can get that low to have a look, so I won't. Nah, no change there. Oh yeah, people said about the night tech being complete now because they've put them white seats back. Which I did notice, but I just failed to mention it. You know, you just assume that people know stuff and they don't. But well spotted, and thanks for reminding me. So it's just all the red ones at the front now to be put back in, and then we're good to go. Just having a good look. Yeah, unless the seats are back near the front, I'm not going to get a good look, a good view of the anything that's been removed from the cop, because you just can't get that low. No, I can't see, guys. But bear in mind where it says 105, further up it says 205, and then there's a 305. So you see how low I'd have to get to see those vomitories with those numbers on. People think the cop's small. It is in height, but it's massive. It holds a lot of people. Just seeing if there's anything else that I can focus on before I leave. Oh, just them on the cherry picker, those there on the lift. The tarmac and I've covered. But they got quite a lot of that tarmac and done, didn't they? Since it was last year. It's come right round. But when I was here yesterday, they were only doing in this area here. Some people are saying it's a cycle path. I don't think it is. I think it's just going to be a walkway in it. Because where does it start and end, the cycle path? It's not much of a cycle path, is it? And you wouldn't be able to fit one down Anfield roads. Pardon me. Yeah, the road's just not wide enough to fit on Anfield roads. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there. Subscriptions are going up again, subscribers are going up again, sorry. Subscriptions, that means that insinuates you have to pay. Subscribers are going up a lot again. I thank everyone. Again, it's free, completely free. Just because it says subscribe doesn't mean that you have to pay, it's completely free. Okay? Likes are helping me video get a good reach. They're getting a lot of views, my videos, considering the subscribers I've got. Okay, so carry on with the likes, I really appreciate it. It takes a second to press the thumbs up. If you don't like it, press the thumbs down, it's fine. Okay, and comments, I always reply to the comments, people know that now. So yeah, leave a comment, I'll reply to it, I'll read it, I like reading them. And apart from that, look after yourselves and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.